अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन, एक्सप्लोरिंग द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंश्योरेंस में आप सबको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। जैसा कि इस चैनल के इंट्रोडक्शन में आपको बताया गया था, हम हर टॉपिक पे 3 तरीके से वीडियो तैयार करेंगे। पहले मरहले में हम किसी भी पॉलिसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंडोर्समेंट क्लॉज को इंग्लिश ज़बान में पढ़ेंगे ताकि किसी डॉक्यूमेंट को सही तरीके से पढ़ने का अंदाज वाज़िया हो सके। ये वीडियोस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट रीडिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट इंग्लिश में अपलोड कर दिए जाएंगे। दूसरे मरहले में इन तमाम वीडियोस का उर्दू वर्जन तैयार किया जाएगा और ये वीडियोस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट रीडिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट उर्दू में अपलोड कर दिए जाएंगे। आखिरी मरहले में इन तमाम टॉपिक्स को तफसीलन डिस्कस किया जाएगा और ये वीडियो हर टॉपिक की मुताल्लिका प्लेलिस्ट में अपलोड किए जाएंगे। आइए देखते हैं आज हमारा टॉपिक क्या है।
Fidelity Guarantee Policy. Whereas the insured by a proposal and declaration, which shall be the basis of this contract and is deemed to be incorporated herein has applied to the hereinafter called, the company, for the insurance hereinafter contained and has paid the premium as consideration for such insurance in respect of loss occurring during the period of insurance. Now this policy witnesseth that subject to the terms, exceptions, and conditions herein or endorsed hereon, the company will indemnify the insured against loss directly caused by the fraud or dishonesty of any employee named or otherwise described in the schedule, provided that the liability of the company shall not exceed a. In respect of any employee the amount stated against his name or description in the schedule, and b. In respect of all claims under this policy the total sum insured stated in the schedule, provided further that the company shall not be liable in respect of any act of fraud or dishonesty as aforesaid unless a. It is committed 1. During the period of insurance, and 2. During the employee's uninterrupted service in his employment as described in the schedule, and b. It is discovered within 6 months after the death, dismissal, or retirement of the employee or the expiration or determination of the policy whichever shall be the earlier. Conditions. Condition 1. This policy and schedule shall be read together as one contract and any word or expression to which a specific meaning has been attached in any part of this policy or of the schedule shall bear such meaning wherever it may appear. Condition 2. The due observance and fulfillment of the terms, provisions, conditions, and endorsements of this policy in so far as they relate to anything to be done or complied with by the insured and the truth of the statements and answers in the said proposal shall be conditions precedent to any liability of the company to make any payment under this policy. Condition 3. This policy does not cover any consequential loss. Condition 4. Upon the discovery of any act or acts of fraud or dishonesty likely to give rise to a claim or of reasonable cause for suspicion thereof the insured shall forthwith give notice thereof in writing to the company and this policy shall cease to apply in respect of the employee or employees concerned as from the time of discovery of the act or acts of dishonesty or cause of suspicion. Condition 5. The insured shall deliver to the company within 3 months of the discovery of any act or acts of fraud or dishonesty a claim in writing for the loss containing as particular an account of the loss as may be reasonably practicable and stating the amount thereof and shall give to the company all such further particulars, information, proofs, and explanations as may be reasonably required. Not more than one claim on account of the same employee shall be hereunder. Condition 6. The system of supervision specified in the proposal shall be strictly followed throughout the period of insurance except where there has been some modification or alteration in the system mutually agreed between the company and the insured, in which case such modified or altered system shall be so followed, and the company shall be advised of any change in the business of the insured or in the duties or the method or rate of remunerating any employee named or otherwise described in the schedule. Hereto other than an increase of remuneration. Condition 7. In making any claim hereunder, the insured shall give credit for any salary or commission or any other moneys whatsoever which but for the act fraud or dishonesty giving rise to such claim would have been payable to the employee. Condition 8. The first and each renewal premium having been calculated upon estimates furnished by the insured shall within 1 month of being required so to do furnish to the company such particulars and information as the company may require. The premium shall thereupon be adjusted, and any difference paid by or to the insured as the case may be. Condition 9. The company may cancel this policy by sending 7 days' notice by registered letter to the insured at his last known address, and in such event the insured shall become entitled to the return of a proportionate part of the premium corresponding to the unexpired period of insurance. Condition 10. Any difference which shall arise between the company and the insured or his representatives shall be referred to a single arbitrator, or, if the parties are unable to agree upon a single arbitrator, to 2 arbitrators, 1 to be appointed by each party. The obtaining of an award shall be a condition precedent to any liability of the company or any right of action against the company. Condition 11. This policy is subject to the laws of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the exclusive jurisdiction of the courts at Karachi.
जी नाजरीन, इस वीडियो में हमने डॉक्यूमेंट्स के कंटेंट्स को आपके लिए पढ़ा। अगर हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स के कंटेंट्स को सही तौर पे पढ़ पाएँ तो मजमून पे हमारी गिरफ्त काफ़ी हद तक मजबूत हो जाती है। इस वीडियो का मकसद लोगों के लिए इंश्योरेंस के डॉक्यूमेंट को सही तौर पे पढ़ने और समझने में सहूलत पैदा करना है। अगले मरहले में इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स का उर्दू तर्जमा आप लोगों की खिदमत में पेश किया जाएगा। उम्मीद है आप हमें अपनी राय से आगाह करेंगे ताकि हम बेहतर तौर पर इंश्योरेंस की तमाम पॉलिसी एंडोर्समेंट क्लॉजेस को आसान इंग्लिश और उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट कर सकें। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। अपने फीडबैक से हमको आगाह कीजिएगा। अल्लाह ताला हम सबको अपनी हिफ्ज़-ओ-मान में रखे। आमीन।